Hi, Rana here from Technical Switching for Lemon. Today we'll learn how to extract the emails without the limits from the LinkedIn. So for this purpose, I'm using a Chrome extension, Lemon Leads. You can get this from the website lemonleads.io. You can check the subscriptions here and click on the try it now and sign up. So for sign up, you have to go app.lemonleads.io and sign up here. So I have already an account on Lemon Leads. So let me log in. Yeah, I have an account. Sign into dashboard. Okay, here you will find the Chrome extension. You need to download and install. As I have already installed this, you can see here it's Lemon Leads. So go to the LinkedIn extract email. So follow the instruction and install the extension. After installing the extension, you will see these email extractors. Okay, for example, if I'm on this page, you will see Lemon Lead will show me the email of this person and phone numbers. Okay, let's click on unlock. Okay, if you have the Sales Navigator active or you have the list by searching here or using the filter, then you can just click on the email extractor. It will automatically visit the new pages and scrap the new list. So after this, you just have to visit this my list section and download the list, then verify this list. So for pricing of the Lemon Leads, you have to visit the lemonleads.io, or if you want the invites, then just comment under this YouTube video. So tap the like button and subscribe the channel for more videos like this. Thank you.